Welcome back to Terminal Triage. Today we are dealing with an automated tourniquet. In the M.A.R.C.H framework, when the network detects an unauthorized device, it protects itself by instantly severing the connection. We are looking at a port security lockdown. Here is the scenario. Someone unplugs the authorized workstation 1 from the core switch and plugs in an unauthorized rogue machine, workstation 2, into fast Ethernet 5. Instantly, the link lights go red. The physical layer is dead. Let's find out why. We log directly into the core switch to assess the damage. We run a show interface status and check F05. The status is Err-Disabled. The switch didn't just drop packets. It completely amputated the interface to protect the network. To confirm the cause, we run show port security interface F0/5. The port status reads secure shutdown with a security violation count of exactly 1. It caught the rogue MAC address. We run show port security address to verify the secure MAC address table and see exactly which device was supposed to be plugged in. To fix an Err-Disabled port, you can't just plug the right machine back in. You have to reset the interface. We jump into global configuration mode, navigate to interface F05, and issue a logical shutdown command. Now that the port is administratively closed, we move the Ethernet cable back to the authorized workstation 1. With the correct patient connected, we issue the no shut command. The link lights immediately go green. We go to verify the MAC table, but notice we are still in config mode, so the show command fails. This happens in the heat of an outage. Don't panic, just exit back to privileged exec mode and run it again. The table looks clean. And for absolute certainty, we run show port security interface F0/5 one last time. The status is secure up, and our violation counter is reset to 0. The automated tourniquet is removed and the connection is restored. Stop guessing during a blackout. Triage first, troubleshoot second.